Okay, so I wanted to take a quick second to just kind of give you an overview of the Moodle shell for summer. I'm going to be requesting this copy go through today, so it should happen sometime this week. You're going to get a folder from me that has all of the material in terms of the in-class worksheets that are located in Moodle as well, but you will also find quizzes and sample syllabi in there as well. Just a quick note, if you notice when you get your Moodle shell copied, please go ahead and start by turning editing on. So when you go in your Moodle shell, turn editing on. And what you want to do to check to make sure the copy was done correctly is scroll down and make sure there are not any orphaned activities. If there are, get in touch with IT and let them know that things did not copy correctly. I've had some issues where things were not showing up in the proper folders. I have hidden these folders from student view each week. So what you're going to need to do is after you finish a week of 013, you're going to want to open the following week's folder. How you do that is, again, we turn the editing on, make sure that it is on, and then what you're going to do is you're going to click right here for edit, and you're going to go to show topic. Now there's another follow-up here, and that is when you get inside the folder itself, I have also hidden the in-class worksheet itself. The reason I did this is because I do not want students having access to the worksheet until we've done it in class. I've noticed that if you make these things available, students will feel like, okay, I don't need to come to class, I can just print this out and do it at home. So I will open the folder up for each week, and then after the class period, what I will do is then I will make this available for them in case somebody missed. They can print that worksheet out and do it themselves and turn it in the following week. And then I will go ahead and open up the following week's topic so that they can get in here and access the videos. And then when I finish this class on linear equations, I will make this in-class work available for anybody missed, and then I open up the following week. And you're going to do that for each week until you get to the end of the semester. If you have any other questions about the Moodle shell, please do not hesitate to let me know.